Hello. Today I'm going to be unboxing some artificial flowers that I bought a few weeks ago, but I haven't really had the chance to do it. Hopefully I can do it on my own because Edward is not here to help me. People unnecessary come back. It's summer again, and I ordered these artificial plants on Amazon. I will have all of the information above. This is exactly where it's gonna go. I'm gonna put them on each side. So Joan, you were definitely right. I needed some kind of plant in here. This is where I film my workout videos, even though I haven't done any in a while. And this is also where I film my try-on hauls, most of them. One down. And it has like bamboos at the bottom, which I quite like because it reminds me of the Caribbean. That's why I got them. It comes in a pot. A bit wonky. What do you think? Do you like it? Edward was asking me if I'm gonna buy real plants, and I'm like, no, that's way too much work. So here I am with my lovely artificial plants, and it's two of them. So I'll take out the other one in a minute. There's stuff falling off of it already. I honestly thought that summer was over. Not that I'm complaining, but for the past few days it's been so cold. And then now I feel like summer's back again. I'm loving it. Loving it! But I'm sure my British people are complaining right now, saying, oh, it's too hot, it's too hot. Only thing I need now is to be next to the beach, and I'm good. Be careful with this.
Through my body, I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna.
This is just less work for me. I don't really like artificial plants, to be honest with you, but in this space, because I don't really have much on the walls, I feel like I need something to break it up. I'm probably gonna put maybe a painting on the wall or something. It is nice when I'm doing my try-on hauls and also when I'm doing my workout videos. It's lovely to just have a blank canvas to work with.
be good or be naughty.
La 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 la. I'm very happy, very, very happy. I will put them in the corner and then you can tell me what you think. You can tell me what you think. This, and I'll put it in the corner so you can have a look at it. Can I move the light? I'm not sure. I like the light. Maybe I'll put it here. Oh, maybe I'll put the light here. In the corner. Why does that look so lean? It looks a bit wonky. It doesn't look straight. In the corner. I think that one needs to come out a little bit. Okay. So what do you think, guys? I like them. I will spend more time later on when I have some time and perfect it a little bit more. But as I said, all the information for, well, I got the pants off Amazon. All the information will be also in my inbox. Do let me know what you think, because I think it transforms my little space. What do you think? Anyways, do go and enjoy this beautiful, blissful sunshine. Have a few cocktails, and I think I'm going to rest since Mateo isn't here. Until next time, guys, take care. Mwah.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right,